Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Tech Chably. In this video, I'll show you probably all the ways how to turn on and off the flashlight in Android phones. Let's dive in. Way number 1. Use the quick setting panel to turn on and off flashlight. This is the way I often use to turn on and off flashlight in my Android phone. Here's how to do it from start to end. First, let's add the flashlight icon to the quick setting dashboard. By swiping down from the top right corner, the quick settings menu drops down. Next, tap on Edit. Here, find the flashlight shortcut icon under the system toggles and add it in. Notice that you can move the icon to the position where you can find it easily after. Now tap on the tick button to confirm. Alright, now to turn on the flashlight, just swipe down from the top right, then tap on the flashlight icon. As for turning off the flashlight, you can do it by swiping down one more time and tap on the flashlight again to turn off. You can also tap on the flashlight icon that appears on the top of the screen and turn it off. If you find that using power button will be convenient for you in some situations, then check out the way number 2. Way number 2. Double press on the power button. This way number 2 is considered as a faster way to turn on and off flashlight. Here's how to enable the feature. On your Android phone, go to Settings and go to Additional Settings. Now tap on Gesture Shortcuts. Here, tap on Turn on Flashlight. Tap to enable the double press the power button. Now let's check it out. Double press and the flashlight is on. Now double press again to turn it off, or else you can turn it off from the screen flashlight button. Alright guys, if you're using the button system navigation, which means that your navigation menu has a back tab button, I'm going to show you a way to utilize this back tab button to turn on and off flashlight. Let's check it out in way number 3. Way number 3. Press and hold the back button. Alright guys, we're gonna map a back tab shortcut for turning on and off the flashlight. First, go to Phone Settings. Here, scroll down and enter the home screen settings. Next, tap on System Navigation. Now, make sure you choose the button System Navigation. Next, make sure you turn on the mirror buttons. With this, we exchange the menu button to the left and replace the back button to the right side. Well, this is for easily navigating around, and use the back button for flashlight. Alright, look down at the shortcut options. Here, we'll choose the press and hold the back button and map it to turn on flashlight. Let's check it out. Hold press on the back button, flashlight is on. Now, either you're going to turn off flashlight by on-screen flashlight button, or hold press on the back button one more time and turn it off. Did you know that we even can turn on the flashlight at the lock screen without unlocking the phone? Check out way number 4. Way number 4. Flashlight shortcut on lock screen. If you want to turn on flashlight without even unlocking the screen on Xiaomi and many other Android 16 phones, then follow these steps. Firstly, go to Phone Settings. Next, enter the lock screen settings. Here, tap on Customize Shortcuts. Notice that the phone needs to be in the default classic or limitless theme to activate this feature. Now, you can choose the flashlight shortcut to be added either to the left or right of the lock screen. After you've done that, let's lock the screen. Then wake the screen up. Now we can see the flashlight shortcut. Slide to open it. The full screen is now show the flashlight icon. Tap to turn it on. Tap again to turn it off. Alright guys, let's move to the way number 5, where we'll command to the AI's voice assistant to turn on flashlight. Way number 5. AI assistant command to turn on flashlight. This way number 5 is useful when you want a touchless flashlight on and off. Make sure you've got the Google Assistant or Gemini installed with your trained match voice. Alright, let's say,
Hey Google, turn on flashlight.
Sure, turning on the flashlight.
Hey Google, turn off flashlight.
Okay, I've turned off the flashlight.
And that's it. Well, I'm about to end this video here until I find out that I haven't shared it all. Let's discover one more way to turn on flashlight on Android 16. Way number 6. Use flashlight quick ball shortcut. First, let's go to settings and enter the additional settings in this Android 16 Xiaomi Poco X7 Pro. Next, tap on quick ball and turn on quick ball. Now, under the quick ball settings, tap on select shortcut. Next, tap on any of the shortcuts right corner arrow button and choose the flashlight from the list. Whenever you want to turn on flashlight, just tap on the quick ball menu floating icon and tap on flashlight. Tap again to turn it off or turn it off from the screen button. Alright, that's it for a long tutorial today guys. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful in any way, then hit the hype button so it can rank better and be more available to more people who are searching for it. Thanks again and bye for now.